What up, you guys? Just got beats here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I get my beats to sound full so they're not thin sounding. I know that's a question that a lot of you guys have had, so let's jump to it. All right, y'all, so let's get into this. So I have the Whirly piano, pizzicato strings, a classic grand, dark matter synth, and the koto that I'm using today. And pretty much all these are like the same melody. I'm going to just tell you guys a little trick real quick. If you're doing chords, you could start with a piano, then get you a arpeggiated synth or something like that, and copy that pattern from the piano into the arpeggiated synth. And it'll give it like this weird kind of like dope sound at the same time. So it's not exactly the same as the piano. So it's kind of almost like you're creating a counter melody, even though you're not. And you're getting a fuller sound that way as well. So let me just stop running my damn mouth. And let's play this Whirly so you can hear it. And then the pizzicato strings are the same pattern, as well as this classic grand. I just added that for more of an undertone, a deeper sound. You see how when you add that undertone of the classic round 2, it adds like an extra element of darkness to it, which I fucking love. Alright, you guys, so here I just wanted to show you guys the chords that I did, so you can see my sound is not going to sound thin as if like when I first started, and I know other people do this shit too. I'll put a note right there. But if you're just using one note for the pattern, and that's all you use, that's the only instrument, of course your whole track is going to sound really thin. So that's why I made an effort to learn chord progression. But I said you guys don't have to learn it. I'm not trying to force it on you, especially in Fruity Loops. Even in here, I'll show you guys real quick. Like if I go up here, you can see I didn't use the actual scales just because I've been learning the keys, so I've been trying to practice. But you could press on this little scale thing, give you the major pentatonic. You know what I mean? A lot of times, like when I first started learning how to make trap beats, the harmonics minor scale and the Phrygian scale, aka the Metro Boomin scale, are very similar. There's just a few note changes on that one, so that's one that you can use too if you want to do chords easily without knowing chords or chord progression. So that's something you guys can do as well. Alright, you guys, so on this one, this is the dark matter synth. I'm pretty sure not all the chords are the same as in the strings and the piano, but I made that one kind of similar. You guys can hear that one. And I added this also because like I wanted it to have a dark sound, like as dark as possible. So that's what I was trying to create with this trap beat. Alright, so this last one is the koto. All I did was add a little reverb and a little bit of delay to it, just to give it a little bit of a fuller sound and give it that little kind of vibrato kind of feel to it. And that's what they all sound like together. Alright, you guys, so that's how I get my melodies to be fuller. Just layer your instruments, do chords. If you don't know your chords, use those scales and stuff that they have inside of Fruity Loops, inside of GarageBand. And if you guys have any other questions, go ahead and comment below. Please rate and subscribe if I've been even a little bit of help to you. And you guys have a blessed day.